Hello everyone. Start off by taking an egg crate and then cutting out the shell of it. Then make triangular shapes on it and make these into cutouts. These should make it look like flower petals. Then take some yellow fruit foam net and cut it up and make it into the shape of a ball. Take a small sheet of red paper and make it into a beak. Then add the little chick on the eggshell and there you have it. For our next craft, take some green fruit foam net, cut it up and then add glue on one of the sides and stick it together. Through the opening, add some white fruit foam net and then stick it together, add eyes and a cute little smile and a flower. For our next craft, take some pink fruit foam net and make layers out of it, tie it up in the center and make a pink ball out of it. Repeat this process but with a different size. Next, take some pink fruit foam net and then cut it up. Cut out the bottom triangularly and then stick the edges together to make a more narrow bottom. Curve the edges. Now stick glue to one of the sides and make a cylindrical shape. Now stick all of the parts of the body together and you should have yourself a cute little elephant. After sticking the hands, the legs and the ears, don't forget to stick the eyes and the trunk. For our next craft, take a square sheet of yellow paper and then fold it 2 times over. Once folded, fold a small half into it as well. Open it as such to make the shape of a home. Now reverse the sheet of paper and then fold it inwards. On the new side, fold it to make a triangular sharp edge on either side and then both of the sides inwards on their respective sides. Open it and you should have a boat-like shape with 2 protruding edges which you will now fold over. Add eyes and put your hands through it and you have yourself a puppet. For our next craft, take an orange sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally on either side and then bring it together in the center. Then make a cross-like shape with 4 movable edges. Fold it inwards to make a semi-diamond-like shape and make it narrow. Puff it out and open the petals to make it look like a flower. Now take some green paper, fold it diagonally and then fold it inwards. You must get a large diamond-like shape, after which you will make a narrower diamond-like shape as shown. Fold over one of the edges to make a leaf or stem. For our next craft, take a white sheet of paper and then fold it over diagonally first and then bring in the edges. Fold over the edges to make 2 triangles and then fold this into half as well and make a protruding edge on the outside. Open up the entire sheet of paper but then using the folds that you have already created, fold it inwards. Now insert the edges inside and then fold it over. Color it in any color that you wish. Next, take some pink and white fruit foam net, tie it up with a thread in the middle and then make a ball-like shape using this. Take some more pink fruit foam net and then make a diamond shape out of it and stick it together to make it look like petals. Now, use this as a tail and only use 3 of them. Add some fins and some eyes to what you have created and a smile. For our next craft, take some pink rectangular sheet of paper, start off by folding one of the edges and then the bottom half as well. Now this we will already be making the imprints. Remove all of the imprints and unfold the paper and then start folding it from one edge. The bottom should make a fan-like shape. Now reverse the paper and then fold the edge in. You have a pretty envelope. For our next craft, take some beige colored clay or some yellow colored clay, make a roll out of it. Make a head out of one end of the cylindrical clay piece. Flatten the back to make a tail and add eyes. For our next craft, take a circular sheet of white paper and then fold it over. Add a black mark right in the center and then take a yellow sheet of paper and then make it in the shape of a fan. Cut out the initial black mark you have created and put the fan through this. Add eyes and a cute little beak. Thank you for watching.